Welcome to the tutorial of the PIR Solar Alarm. This product is available on our Lazada, Shopee, and Facebook pages, and you can order there today. Let's get started. Opening the box, you'll receive the alarm itself, a manual, and depending on the model you get, a remote control. When first booting up the device, click the back button once, and when you hear a short beep, it's ready to go. On the manual, there are several modes that you can trigger to your needs. Just press the back button with your corresponding beeps on the chart and you're good to go. For people with the remote, make sure the device is off. Click the back button the number of times on the chart until it starts flashing quickly. Within 20 seconds, you must click a button on the remote to be paired. Once the alarm beeps on time, it's paired, and after that, make sure to restart the device. This remote can control 500 alarms, which is very handy for large areas. When you don't have a remote and have a phone, you should turn off the device and prepare the Tuya Smart app. Long press and it will beep twice. Then go to a quick flashing state. That's the time where you can open the app and click the Add Device button, scroll down to Sensors, and add the Wi-Fi alarm. Enter your Wi-Fi connection and password because it'll help connect the PIR alarm to the Wi-Fi. And with that, you're ready to use the app. Using the app, you can easily switch through different alarm modes without touching the alarm. You can receive pop-up notifications on whether the alarm has triggered, name the alarm for a specific room, and more. Charging the device, expose it on direct sunlight with a solar panel to charge. You can view the percentage of the battery on the app. When installing the alarm, install the screws on the back of these included base. Install it at a height of 2 meters for a great detecting range. And that's everything you need to know in order to start using the PIR Outdoor Solar Alarm. Again, this product is available on our Lazada, Shopee, and Facebook pages, and you can order there today. Thanks for tuning in to Happy Work Enterprise, and we hope to see you on future videos.